to TV's favorite game show, Scavenger-Rama, with your host, Junkyard Jim. And now, a big junkyard welcome for our first contestant, Woody Woodpecker. Okay, we like your spunk. Now, let's meet your opponent.
Buzz Buzzard. Hey, I'm not playing against that lousy cheater.
Who you calling a cheat?
Okay, fellas. I see you two already know each other. Save it for the game. Our happy contestants are off buckling into their Scavenger-Rama mobiles because they'll soon be racing around the city, solving game clues and collecting scavenger hunt items. And the one who brings back all the items wins these fabulous prizes. May the best junk collector win. Time for your first clue, contestants. It's like taking blank from a baby.
I got it. Like taking candy from a baby.
Thanks for the answer, sap.
Here is me, you cheater. Big Baby Daycare Center. The perfect place for finding babies with candy. They weren't kidding about the big baby part. Goo 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 gee goom lollipop. Hmm?
It's time to start you a college fund. How much for your big sucker, you big sucker?